Welcome to Reach Tip of the Day. Today's topic is the Statim cooling bottle. So on your Statim, when they come from the manufacturer, they have a waste bottle that you have to typically empty out when it gets full. This one here we have converted to a cooling bottle. So the steam from the sterilizer, the Statim, comes down to another bottle and it cools the steam in a condensing coil to liquid, and then it sends it down the drain. So you never have a bottle you have to empty. Just periodically check the water level, make sure that it's up to the line on the bottle, and it's always topped off with distilled water. You should change that water completely annually. So just unscrew the top, dump it out, and refill it with distilled water. And that's your Reach Tip of the Day.